an emerging brand providing healthy and tasty meals to our customers. Our motive is to provide healthy food with good taste, revealing the truth that nutritious food can be tasty because we are making it. We are a subscription-based model. There are 4 types of subscriptions from which you can choose. Our first pack is the Gym and Athlete Pack, starting at Rs 266 per meal plus GST. Curated meals for gym goers and athletes made according to their goals like weight loss, weight gain, maintenance, muscle building, and so on. We have non-veg, vegan, and keto diet options for them. Our second option is the Exclusive Pack, starting at just Rs 288 per meal plus GST. This pack is curated for people who are allergic or need imported or exotic stuff included in their meal. Anyone can take this pack. The third pack is the Classic Pack, starting from Rs 133 per meal plus GST. Curated meals for older people, aged above 55. They need proper nutrition in their daily life to stay fit, and these meals are specifically curated for them. Next, we have the Corporate Pack, starting from 233 rupees plus GST. These are special packs designed for offices. If we receive orders of more than 15 from a single office, we offer special discounts. Corporate offices and schools can contact us for bulk orders. We offer various subscription durations: 3 days, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and 12 months packs are all available. You can contact us on 9311761533 or reach out to us by emailing us at FoodieFix2024@gmail.com.